welcome to my channel somycrafty. I'm here for you with a pair of earrings tutorial. It's very cute purple earrings. I beaded these earrings with very cute purple color crystal beads 4 mm. So it's very easy project, it's very easy pattern, it's a floral pattern. I hope you would like it, and if you like it, so don't forget to subscribe your own channel somycrafty. I need your subscriptions, so don't forget it. Now we have started. We picked 3 crystal beads with 3 seed beads, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead etto, and 1 crystal and 1 seed bead. And in this way we have started. We are tying double knot here. After tying a double knot, we will proceed further process. We cut the extra thread of tail. Now we smooth its end with lightest flame. Now we pass through 1 crystal bead and 1 seed bead etto. Here we will add these beads. You can see on your screen 3 crystal beads with 2 seed bead etto silver seed beads. So we have to pass through this previous seed bead and add in this way these 3 crystal beads with 2 seed beads. Now in the same way we will add 3 more crystal beads with 2 seed beads, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, and 1 crystal, and we pass through previous seed bead etto, and in this way we will add these seed beads and crystal beads. This is floral pattern, very easy to make. It looks very lovely colors. I hope you would like it. Silver beads with purple crystal beads. The purple is my favorite, so I hope you would like it. We will continue in the same way, and we will add 3 again with 2 seed beads etto in this way. So we have to add these 3 crystal beads with 2 seed beads. Pull the thread and make it tight. After adding each time, you have to pull the thread tightly. So now we will add again 3 crystal beads 4 mm purple crystal beads with 2 seed beads, and we will pass through the previous seed bead etto. The combination of purple color with silver is very unique and lovely. I hope you would like to make in the same color for you, and you can replace it with turquoise or some other color, but try to make it with purple with silver. It looks very pretty. So here the last the last 3 beads we have to add here in this way, that we will add first. We add here 1 crystal bead, and passing through seed bead silver etto, we are adding now 2 crystal beads here with 1 seed bead in center of 2 crystal beads. We have to add in this way. This is the last addition of this round. So we have to complete in this way this third bead. So in this way we have to complete it. This round of adding purple beads with silver seed beads is completed now. Very elegant, lovely beads are looking. Now here, passing through crystal bead and then from seed bead, we have to add here 3 more silver seed beads. 8. We have to add these beads passing through this previous silver seed bead. 8. We have added these beads, reinforce and pass the thread through these beads again, and after passing through these beads we have to add one more time crystal beads here. Here our thread is coming out from seed bead 8. We have to add 3 crystal beads 4 mm purple beads with 2 seed bead 8. We pass through this previous silver bead seed bead 8. We added these 3 crystal beads with 2 seed bead 8. Now we have to pass through this purple crystal bead and now reinforce these beads, pass the thread again from these all beads and try to pull the thread to make it tight. So now we have to add here our earring wire, silver earring wire. We are adding here with the 4 seed beads, 2 in right side and 2 in left side of earring wire. We will add total 4 seed beads with earring wire, and we will pass through this crystal bead, and now we will pass our thread through earring wire and seed beads again to reinforce and to add here one more seed bead 8. We will add here we have to add one seed bead 8, pass through the previous seed bead and now pass through crystal bead and then passing through seed bead and crystal bead. We have to add one more bead on other side, one seed bead between 2 seed beads, passing through these previous seed beads. We are adding it, and in this way we have almost completed our earring. And after completing it, now we are going to finish it, reinforcing it. The beads we beaded in the last, we have to reinforce, and after passing thread from different beads we have to make some finishing knots, and after making finishing knots we will complete our today's project. I hope you would like it, and my dear viewers, I request you again and again, my channel needs your subscriptions. Most of viewers only watch my videos and they forget to subscribe. So please, I request you, don't forget to subscribe. It takes no time. You can easily subscribe my channel. So please subscribe, like, share and do comments on in comment box. I will waiting, and I can improve my work with your comments. So I need your likes and comments and subscriptions. So we have completed our project. We have trimmed that extra thread, and now we are smoothing its end with lightest flame. It's ready now to wear. Very elegant, very cute earrings. I hope my lovely viewers who like the purple color, light colors, they would definitely like it. And here are some final looks, pictures of my creation, my project. I hope you would like, you will subscribe my channel. These are the pics of today's project. Do watch its video, its pictures, and don't forget to watch my channel's YouTube shorts. I am uploading nowadays YouTube shorts also. And the final look, very pretty, very cute colors. I will say bye now. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye.